Perfect.
Yes, in South Africa we had a lot of problems and things for many years, and I decided that I needed to leave the country. I always wanted to go to the United States because South Africa is great, but it's a little too small for the acting industry, and I wanted to go and further my career and do more and do bigger things. So I applied, for my green card. I did everything the right way, and I had to wait 1 year, and I just moved to the United States with nothing really, and started from the beginning. So everything I had built in South Africa, it didn't matter anymore. And I had to start from the beginning where nobody knew me, and I just started auditioning. I eventually, luckily, got an agent, and my first job in the United States was on Nash Bridges, and then that was in 2001, and then in 2002 I started with Stargates, and I was very lucky to be recurring on Stargates, and thank you to all of you, because the character, if you like the character, then keep him in the show. It's not up to me. Yes, I want to do the show, but because the people are watching and enjoying the character and writing, they keep us in the show. So I was very lucky to be recurring for so many years in Stargate, because that really got my name out there in the industry in the United States.